Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change text direction in Excel. Okay, so before we start, I'm request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So guys, this will be short video. So let's start with the video. Let's go my Excel sheet. So guys, this is my Excel sheet. This is demo data. So I'm going to show you how to change text orientation in Excel, or how you can rotate the text in data in Excel. There is a format, text format you can change, like header. If you want to change header text format, so I will show you. So simply, there is a you can see there is a three column, three header I have. You can select one, or you can select the all three if you want to rotate data or text in text of three of them. Just select three sheet. I have to go on home and find in alignment, find this icon orientation. Okay, click on this and you can see the many option here. So angel or counter, angel, clockwise, whatever you want to see. If you want to uh, click on this, okay, you can see this will be changed. If you click on this, the icon like this, you can change the alignment also from here. Select three of these and change the alignment as you want. Okay, if you want to custom, if you want to rotate tags in custom setting, just select the three data, click on this and go on format cell alignment, and you can do or you can do like you can do orientation like by hand. Okay, there is a degree you can set. So if I set the -30, in if I select, okay, they will be changed like this. And if you go again and I'm going to 45, okay, 45, okay, they will this. Okay, so that is how you can change alignments. Or second, good see. Okay, this will be you can see these, the both, these both will these both style, no, normally people use usually. So you can click on it. Okay, so that is how you can change text alignment or orientation in Excel. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.